want me to send them in?
Yeah. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to me.
Could you close that door behind you, Ranger?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to me and Sarah's chair aerobics. I'll let her take over and introduce everything.
Alright, so I'm Sarah, and we're going to be focusing on physical activity today. And physical activity has a lot of benefits, as we all know. But we're going to focus on like leisure related. So it really focuses on physical health and mental health. Physical health, as we all know, like children these days, they're like always inside, never really going outside. So the rate of obesity has increased. So physical activity is going to help with that. It helps with decreasing osteoporosis, which is the breakdown of bones. And if you use your bones and muscles more often, they're going to tend to stay longer. It decreases your chance of cardiovascular diseases. And for mental health, it decreases like depressive symptoms. It has other, like, you can use it as a coping mechanism. You get like physically fit too. So we're going to start off with or an activity. It's called Stand Your Opinions. And
State your opinions.
that's what I meant. State your opinions. So I'm just going to stand in the middle. We're all going to gather in the middle a little bit. So we're going to start off. We posted some stuff on the wall. Strongly agrees in that corner. Just remember this. It's going to be on the wall in case you forget. Strongly agrees over there. Agrees on this side. Strongly disagrees in that corner. And then disagrees in that corner. I'm just going to ask you like a series of different opinion-based questions. And right after I state the question, you have, well, it's normally 7 seconds, but since we're in a small room, I'm modifying it to 5 seconds. So you have 5 seconds to think about an answer and get into a corner. And then we're just going to talk about it quick, and they're just fun little, probably like 20 different questions that I'm going to ask. Then we're going to get into chair aerobics. Okay? Anyone have any questions? Good? All right, I'm just going to get my timer. Yeah, just post around it. Agrees pretty much on this side, disagrees on that side. That's
All
how
sides
it
are here.
Yes. So, everyone ready to begin?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So remember, you have 5 seconds. I'm going to time you. Ready? The first question is, I'm quite an adventurous person. Go.
I don't know.
3, 4, 5.
Sorry.
So everyone pretty much agrees on that. Split in half. Good. Good, you're adventurous. We're rec majors, so. All right, and then come back in the middle. Ready? I'm easy to get along with other people. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Better than not being good with other people. Good thing you're a people person. Come back in the middle. I like to meet new people. Go. 2,
No new
3,
friends.
4, 5. All right. Oh, you're just, I thought it was strongly disagree. I was like,
I got it
I
right.
really don't like talking to people. All right, so you can come back in the middle. Ready for the next one? I am tidy and a well-organized person. Go. 1, 2,
Sometimes.
3, 4,
Not always.
5. You're just neutral?
Is this the neutral spot?
Yeah, I guess it can be. All right, pretty diverse on that side.
It's not always. Just a lot of the time.
Lately, end of the
Lately.
semester.
End of the semester, yes.
All right. I'd rather stay in and watch a good film than go out to a party. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one?
Just disagree.
All right. Not bad. Okay. Come back. All right. So another one is, I believe people rely on technology too much. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Today's day and age, technology is literally everything, so good. All right. few more. Alright. I like having my photograph taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I like Instagram.
Split half pretty well. Not bad.
I don't like it
I
either.
don't remember. So, I would have been way over there. Alright. I enjoy getting up early on the weekends. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you like getting up on the weekend days early too?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
I wish I possessed those
Too bad.
qualities.
Alright. So this is kind of like whatever you think. So life's too short to exercise and eat salad. Go. 1, 2,
Life's too short.
4, 5.
In most cases, yes.
Wait, say it again?
Life's too short to eat salads and exercise.
Too short to eat salad and exercise?
Okay,
Switching it up.
Okay,
If
you can't eat salad and exercise every day of your life. Come on, you gotta eat some cake too. Just saying.
Yeah, I feel ya. Alright.
So I guess I like mildly agree. I kind of went to go over there.
Alright, we'll do a couple more and then we'll just debrief quick. I enjoy watching horror movies.
No,
Go.
no,
1,
no. Biggest fear. Biggest fear.
4, 5. I would go over this classic. I like fear. I love horror movies.
Sarah and I are apparently the same person.
Pretty much. Alright, last
like
one.
this
We'll do
game.
one more.
I don't like watching horror movies like in my own house.
I don't like doing it alone, so I couldn't do it alone. Alright, last one. I'm not interested in sports. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. At least you ended up on a good one there. Alright, so we can come back quick, and then we're just gonna come over here a little more. So Olanje can put some chairs up for our chair aerobics. So, hopefully we got to know each other a little more. It was very more interactive than I thought. You guys seemed like you had fun with it. Hopefully we got moving, so maybe increase your heart rate a little bit. But I think it was gonna be a different room in the classroom, so it was different. Yeah, you would have to run into the corners. But what do you guys think? Did you like it? I feel like you could have been.
I could see it being used in a gymnasium.
Yeah, I could definitely see people
Yeah.
running around.
Yeah, so sure it's like works on your short-term memory fast, cognitive skills.
And timing it too when like you're in a bigger space.
Right.
Literally make people run so
That
much.
would definitely get your heart rate up for physical
Definitely
activity.
see the physical activity.
Yes.
I mean, that's
Alright, so whenever you guys are ready, you can go sit anywhere you want. And then we're going to start our next
So
section
you
here
guys
of
are
chair
gonna-
aerobics.
How's it going, guys? You guys are gonna sit on the sides,
Just kidding, Laura, you can't sit there.
or
You got kicked out.
we're
You're
gonna
good.
put
I'll go
Sarah
over here.
over there in the middle. So today we're gonna do some chair exercise or chair aerobics. And the first thing I wanna do is get everybody to sit on the very front of your chair, because we wanna incorporate your core muscles. And the first one we're gonna do, everything is gonna be led by me and directed by me, and we're gonna do some of the exercises. We'll do 5-second intervals to hold the stretch or the movement. And some of them will be 10 seconds. And then we'll have some exercises that'll be 3 sets of 10 for 10 repetitions. We're gonna start off with neck stretches, and we're gonna start straight, and then we're gonna go to the left and try to put your left ear on your left shoulder very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna go back to center. And we're gonna try to put our right ear on our right shoulder now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. We're gonna go back left. Try not to scrunch your shoulders up. Try to keep your shoulders straight down. And remember, try to get your left ear on your left shoulder. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Back to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Okay, now we're going to do shoulder circles. And we're going to start taking our shoulders, we'll put our hands down by our waist, and we're going to try to rotate our shoulders backwards. Okay, we're gonna do it for about 20 to 30 seconds. I'm just gonna count really slowly, and we're gonna start now. Try to get ourselves loosened up. We need to do this on a regular basis.
Agreed.
So you feel how heavy my backpack is? I got all my clothes.
Okay, stop. Now we're gonna go forward. The same motion, but we're gonna go forward. Let's go.
What muscles are we loosening up?
This is gonna be your back muscles and your shoulder muscles. It's a good de-stressor for finals week.
Thank you for this.
And carrying your backpack around.
Needed that badly.
Okay, we're gonna stop. We're gonna do another set backwards. Circle back, relax, and breathe. Make sure you're sitting on a tip of your chair, legs shoulder width apart. Incorporating your core muscle, keep your back straight. Okay, one more to the front. Let's go. One. Okay, we're done with those right now, so we're gonna start with toe raises. Shoulder width apart, legs shoulder width apart, and we're gonna just try to raise our heels up, and we're gonna do, let's do 15. We're gonna raise our heels up, and we're gonna start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that your shoe size?
12,
Nice rubber soles.
15. Stop. Now we're going to reverse the motion. We're going to do the heel raises. Ready? 1. We're going to bring the toes up towards your kneecap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we're going to go back to the toe raises. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, heel raises. Okay, you guys ready for some action now? We're all nice and warmed up. Let's do chair squats. Somebody can't do them. And we're gonna set back a little bit. Now for chair squats, we're going to stand up. And we're gonna sit back down, but we're not gonna actually, when we go down, we're not gonna actually sit down. We're gonna just lightly touch our butt onto the pads of the chair. And we're gonna do 15 sets of those for the first set. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's rest for a minute. How you guys feeling?
Good.
Shake out the legs a little.
Yeah. Blood circulating? Blood circulating. I think it was getting too easy, so we're gonna modify and try to make it a little bit more difficult for us. Let's go. Let's sit down again. Let's do single leg raises, and then we're gonna go back to squats. So single leg raises, we're gonna keep the leg straight out like this, and we're gonna raise it up. So we're gonna start with our left leg. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, we're gonna do 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, knees together. We're going to do knee raises now. So, knee raises I'm going to demonstrate so you guys don't have any questions while I'm doing it. So, we're going to get on the edge of the chair. I'm going to bring our knees up and then down. Up, down, up, down. 10 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How's everybody feeling? Good?
Whew. Yeah.
Okay. Quick feet. Get this blood flowing. Quick feet. So basically we're going to simulate running. And we're going to sit on the edge of the chair, hold on with your by your sides, and we're going to
You're running away. You're funny.
so if people have anything in your pockets. Okay, stop. Let's rest. Again, ready? Let's go. Let's try something. This one's a little bit more difficult. So Sarah, might need you to help somebody if they need balance. So this is called the Bulgarian, excuse me, split squat. You heard of this one, Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay.
This actually is gonna.
So
All right.
Andrew's gonna help me. He's gonna demonstrate with me, and he knows how to do it. So we're gonna start with I want you to put your left leg up, right leg forward, stretch it out a little bit, and now we're gonna take that. It's like a lunge. You guys ever done a lunge? Let's go down.
Yes.
And back up. Down. And back up. So we're gonna do,
Oh, my leg's cramped.
let's modify that. Let's do 3 of those on each leg and see how we work out with that first. And if anybody needs help,
I'm
we
here.
have Sarah here to help with balance. Tessa, I know you got an injured foot. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay. So
Not in a boot yet.
I want you to put your left, let's start with the left leg. Left leg up. Left leg up. Come on. You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Everyone good with balance?
How you doing?
There's no waiver sign. So.
Okay, now try to get out, don't get out too far. You get your,
No.
you want your leg right underneath where your shoulder is, close to, out in front of you. Now I'm just gonna bend and push up. Okay? Go ahead, I'm just gonna help you guys, if you guys need help. Sarah, you wanna help Laura just balance? Maybe.
Hold on.
If you help her balance, then she'll be able to build that strength in the leg. But I think you have it.
It's also just my shoes because I completely forgot that one of them was
Take 'em
physical
off.
today.
Maybe
I
that
know,
might
I'm
help
scared
you.
that I'm gonna.
My
Yeah, because the ground is like.
Okay, we're gonna go on to something different because that might be a little bit too much difficult for you. Let's try something sitting down. How about that? So this is called bent over arm lifts, and this is gonna work your back and your core. So we're just gonna bend down right here. You gotta touch your feet if you can. We'll just bend down, and then we're just gonna bring our arms up like this, like we're flying. Let's do 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, everybody feeling?
Warmed up, ready to go. Throw some more at us, let's go.
Okay. Couple more sets, and we're done.
I feel just,
Yeah, this is nice, I like this.
All right, let's spit it one more time. Back stretched out. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2. When you get to the top, you want to squeeze your back. Try to squeeze your back muscles and work those back.
Try to make your scapulas touch.
Yeah.
So I used to.
6, 7,
this is being done as like a long-term care facility.
9, 10.
Would they be playing music in the background? Like
Yes.
high energy music?
Probably some older music, some 50s music or something like that.
Yeah.
Let's do chair planks. That will probably be our last exercises. You seen those before, Tess?
If it's what? I think you're talking about.
So I'm going to
There's
demonstrate.
so many different
basically,
versions.
the plank is just like this. You want to put your forearms down. I'll turn this way so you guys can see me. Put your forearms down. You want to hold your hands together like this, like you're praying. Stick your legs straight out, and then you just want to look up, and you want to hold it.
Keep your butt down.
Keep your butt down. Let's try that for, let's try it for 20 seconds. I'm with you, Tess. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Laura, do you love me?
Yeah?
You seem like you're working hard over here. Okay,
Laura
so
needs to get back in shape.
let's do squat calf raises. And I think that'll be it for today. So I'm gonna get behind the chair. So Sam, you might have to pull out a little bit. So we're gonna get right behind the chair. You're gonna kind of squat like this. Just a little bit, bend your knees a little bit. But we're gonna straight up on your toes. So we're gonna start on my go. We're gonna do 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
You're welcome.
8, 9, 10. At least we know they're clean. At least we know they're clean.
At least you didn't just hear my ankles cracking. That was my
Mine was so cracking the whole time. I always
Guys, that's the end of my chair aerobics. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you don't want to kill me because I made you work out today.
No, I needed that. Thank you.
We're going to
I
deep.
appreciated that.
I'm glad I didn't go to the gym this morning.
Yeah, me as well.
Yesterday was back day.
Alright.
I'll take care of it, Laura.
So we just want to gather over here a little bit. Sweating?
Just deep breathe.
I gotta put on my professional shirt.
Oh. Alright, so we're gonna just gather around just real quick and we'll just do a quick debrief. Alright, so how'd you guys like chair aerobics?
It was fun.
I like that. Do you think it was like beneficial like with your stress and everything coming up for finals week?
Yes.
Yeah. Could you maybe do it like at home, like that only took what, like 15 minutes, so
Yeah, all you need is a stable chair.
Yep.
Definitely do it at home.
so you can even use like the edge of your bed if you're don't want to move out of bed.
Modifications for physical, what kind of physical modifications can we do? As far as making it easier, let's start with that one first. Let's see, how can we make it easier?
Rather than going for a number of reps, like letting people go at their own pace, but doing it, timing it for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. So people like might not be able to do the full squat in the time that like you could do a squat. It might be slower. So like you get 15 in and they might get 5.
Right.
So doing like a timing rather than a number of reps.
That's great.
Like the chairs have handles on the side that can help somebody
Yeah.
stand up and down. A walker that you can hold on for just doing exercises in the chair alone, not getting out of the chair then.
Yeah, say maybe for older populations, like focusing on staying sitting and working out the arms and the legs while sitting down.
Anything to make it more difficult for like a different population like us.
Yeah, ways to it.
Yeah.
They actually do that at the assisted senior living. They do that. They use weights. They have like from 2 pounds all the way up to like 10.
Yeah, at my job they do water aerobics with the seniors in the pool, and they like have something they hold. I don't know. I sit and watch from afar, but very
The one I had, like they have the
Yeah.
their weights, but like they hold the
waterproof,
water.
yeah.
Yes,
like,
it's something like that.
They get
And
heavy.
they're
I'm
like,
like,
and they like they have
yeah.
music going. They're doing this whole
Yeah,
thing with the
sure.
weights. I'm like, good work, everyone.
So, what do you think about socially? How do you think we can make it better socially, like as far as making it less complex or even more complex socially, changing the dynamic of that?
Oh, I don't, well, having everybody count, but it's also more cognitive too, like you have to count, or like having one person, like Sam's is 1, Andrew's is 2.
Yeah, like go
Or
around.
like,
I was thinking about when,
God, like partners.
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking about.
Yeah, I was gonna say
Either way,
with 2 people.
either way, I think that's a good one. What were you saying, Lauren?
I was gonna say doing partner activity. I mean, I don't really know too much about chair aerobics, but if there's a way to work with a partner, that'd probably help with the social aspect, make it a little bit easier, provide assistance to each other, work on social skills. So, yeah.
Probably can help both ways. You can partner up to help you, and also it can motivate you if you don't really want to work out. You need somebody else to
Motivate you,
Yeah.
What about, so we did physical, so social, we need cognitive. How can it help us cognitive?
Well, we can go back to what we were saying about counting.
Yeah.
Have like either one person can start and go around, or everyone can count together, or even like you can bring like, I know when I did like stretches and stuff when I played soccer and volleyball, like there like some like lead in the middle. Maybe if somebody wanted to lead like one time to show like their understanding of what like we're doing, or the exercise. Sorry, not speak. Like that kind of thing.
That's the exact idea I had. Go around and let everybody do their favorite exercise.
Yeah.
And that way.
Yeah, because that kind of helps us to show like who understands it and like who, you know,
Feels comfortable.
like who feels comfortable doing it, can help others who might not feel as comfortable doing it. So.
Do you have any? Is there any ideas of like what specific population that you can use chair aerobics with?
Yeah, the aging population, older adult population,
definitely.
But I also could see this being done with like either children in a behavioral health setting, like a it's like a edging hospital where kids may not be able to go outside and get physical activity,
Same with like a rehab or like
or they're like confined to a classroom, something like that. And it would also help them as it might be like coping mechanisms. Like this could be an intervention to help people cope with things.
I could work with like stress management, like anger management,
Working professionals that don't have a chance to work out, they can do it right in the office. I don't suggest using the rolling chair doing these exercises though.
That'd be a physical.
Office chair? Yeah.
Physical modification. But
I mean, anybody that is in a wheelchair, they could do probably the majority of it. I mean, they can't stand to do a squat probably, but like, they definitely can do the shoulder rolls and the neck and
There's a
the
lot
arms
more
and
exercises
for
that you
anybody
can do.
coming back from an injury and maybe physical therapy.
more fun. That's where rec therapy comes in. But
Yeah, it's physical therapy. I feel like you can make it harder by having people sit on like the aerobic balls.
Oh, yeah.
Like the giant.
if we had like the big yoga balls.
Yeah.
I've definitely fallen off one of those before.
Oh,
They're so hard
They're
to
so
stay on.
they were so good on your back though.
No, yeah,
like,
definitely.
so
I'm not even kidding. I think there was one time it actually slipped off and just fell. I was like, you know what, I'm over this one. It's fine.
Does anyone have any questions?
Where did you find all the activities from?
The book. It's called Book Upstairs. The fellow.
Susan Barnett's book.
It has all the exercises in it?
he looks them up. He
But it had-
does stuff at the senior living, so
I
getting
got
good
it.
general knowledge.
Yeah, it seemed like you had some background knowledge in the aerobics.
So I go up there every Thursday, and that's one of the things that I do. I work with the seniors, and I just watch them. And I actually work with one person who's blind, so I help them do the movements. And there's one lady that facilitates, and she's been doing it for 30 years. So I asked her, I said, "Did you write me down the exercises?" She said, "No, it's all up here." So I basically just memorized the stuff and did off what I learned from her.
Comes with experience just knowing it and stuff. So.
That's so cool.
Awesome.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun, thanks.
Thank you.
I couldn't get to all of them for time's sake.
Thank
That's
you
all right.
guys.
Great. Woo!